Well, today I've bought me a brand new lawnmower, and I just thought I'd unbox it and share it with you, show you what it looks like, and tell you what I think. This is a Troy-Bilt TB120B. It's a 21-inch push lawnmower. It's got a 140cc Briggs Stratton engine with a ready start, long life, easy starting, less noise. It's got the 3-in-1. It's got the side discharge, the mulch and bag, and it has a 1.9 bushel bagger. So I'm going to take this out of the box right quick, put it together, and then I'm going to be back and we're going to demonstrate it. I'm not going to make you watch me do the whole thing, so I'll speed this process up, but I'll be back in a minute. All right, I've got it together. Let me show you a couple things. Right here are your levers. You got one at the front and one at the back that you can adjust the height of your deck. One thing I did have a little bit of trouble with, it's not a big deal, but this is made for, I guess, either a tall person or a short person, but there's a adjustment right here. It's about probably 8 inches or so, and what you do is you just take these two wing nuts out, slide it up or down, and put it in the other hole. Now, I had just a little bit of trouble lining that up, but really that's the only trouble I had, and it really wasn't no big deal. So now let's see what's in the bag. Yeah, looks like we got an owner's manual. Yeah, there's our chute. If we want to use the side discharge, there's the chute for that, and it come with oil. So I'm gonna put oil and gas in it, and then we're gonna crank this baby up and see what it looks like. All right, I've got fresh gas and oil in it. I've got some tall grass back behind my fence, so I'm going to go back there and I'm going to let you watch me mow that and see how it works. So let's see how many pulls it takes to crank it on the first try. So pull in your safety kill switch. Okay, to dump the bag, you just grab this, lift it up, and you just lift it out of there. There's two little pins that fit right inside there. That's how you take it out to dump it. Again, at the time of this video, this was $329 at Walmart plus tax. 140cc Briggs Stratton engine, 2-year warranty, has the bagger. It can mulch or side discharge. I believe for the money, this is going to be very good in my yard. Hey, I hope this helped you out. If you got any questions, so leave them in the comments. I'll try my best to answer them. If it helped you out, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos on the end screen coming up. Till next time, catch you later.